Hey, it's Candy. Welcome back to my channel. So I got another box to do an unboxing. I got a Japan crate. Pretty excited about it. It literally came from Japan. Like there's a customs declaration on it. So again, the box knife. He's so pretty. Alright, so this is apparently Japan Crate Volume 20 from February 2017. Cute little pamphlet, which I think I opened the wrong way. It's got all sorts of different stuff in it. Oh, and it teaches you Japanese and talks about different stuff. That's pretty cool. Obviously, this is my first time getting it. Alright, so it tells what's inside, so I'm going to open it up to there. And let's get going. Alright, first thing on top is some popcorn. And it says popcorn. And it's a lightly salted buttered popcorn. It's perfect for your next movie night. That's cute. This thing has Curious George on it. Curious George DIY Let's Make Pudding. Oh, this will be fun. So this is a little DIY crate. That should be fun. The box that I got, you're guaranteed at least one DIY crate. If you do the premium, you're also guaranteed a DIY and, oh, a drink. There's so much fun stuff in here. Like, it's so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, sorry. Okay, we've got this. Not sure what this is. Let's see. This is Garibori Spicy Garlic Ramen. Alright. You got this. This is Fui Ramen Grape. Whistle candies are a Japan crate favorite. This month we are including grape flavored. That's fun. We got this. It's really soft. This is a mashuro. Guys, if I screw up these Japanese pronunciations, don't kill me. I took Spanish. These little faces. Mochon Dango. This candy is a version of a classic Japanese confectionery that will be a favorite to anyone who loves mochi. I've never tried mochi. Alright, this one is Umebo Chocolate, which means delicious stick. Alright. Ooh, this has a fish, and it's strawberry flavored. This one is Puku Thai or Tay Strawberry. I'm totally screwing this up, I know. This has Pokemon on it, I know that. This is Pokemon Bakuke. They introduce you to a tasty new snack called Bakuke, thin banana-shaped senbei or rice crackers. Okay. And then this I'm pretty excited about. Bbq Cheetos. So, twist on a popular American snack, these Cheetos feature a flavor exclusive to Japan, barbecue. Cheetos is one of my favorite snacks. I love Cheetos. So that covered, I got these 5 and these 5, and if I were to get the premium, I would get these 5 plus a bonus. I believe this one cost me $20 or $25, and it's monthly. So that's pretty cool. I don't want to try everything, because like, I kind of want to try one of these whistle snacks. Maybe one of these mochi balls. I really want to try these pocket monster things, the Pokemon. Alright, so we're going to try whistle candy, the mochi balls, these Bukoko or Bukak. It better not be Bukak. And of course these. So Let's go with these first. This is going to be like my co-star of all my videos now. Like, oh, you didn't have the knife this time. What happened? Oh, they smell really good. Nope. Oh, God. Oh, I think it's shrimp flavor or something. They smell so good, but then there's definitely like a shrimp or a seafood flavor on there. So they're a corn, or a little corn thing. They're shaped like this. They've got seasoning on them. My third one, but they, yeah. Interesting. That's not my favorite. There's definitely like a shrimp flavor on there that is, yeah. All right. So there's a little box in here. Oh, there's a toy! Okay, so you get the whistling candy, and then down here was this box. And it's a little dinosaur. I'll set him right up there. Now he can just watch. Alright. That's fun. Alright. Well, I can do that. Actually, it tastes good too. That's fun. Pardon me, but I've got other stuff to eat. I'm gonna set you right there. Alright, let's taste the mochi balls. Are they different flavors? So they're covered in sugar. I don't really smell anything. They're really like, I just taste sugar. They're just really soft and squishy, and they don't really have any flavor. They're just like really like soft and squishy and sugary. Bbq Cheetos. OMG. It kind of smells like barbecue chips, so that's good. Let me get a drink of water to get this sugar off my tongue. Did you all see that? Big drop of water. All right. It tastes like cup of noodle or top ramen with a little bit of sweetness, like a little bit of like brown sugar with it. Yeah, it's definitely beef top ramen or a cup of noodle, and they added like brown sugar to it. It's hella good. And these are softer than regular Cheetos, like the Cheetos we get here. Yeah, obviously they're shaped the same. They're brown, but they're really good. I really like them. My lighting just went on and off. I'm digging it. I would eat these. So that's my Japan crate for February 2017. I will probably do this one again. It's kind of fun. And I'll share this on my social media when I go to make this. I'll probably make it with my nephews or something. Yeah, check out my links down below. I'll link to Japan Crate and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!